Ladies and gentlemen, American Eagle would like to welcome to Washington, D.C., where the local time is 1:50. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening overhead vents as contents may have shifted. Smoking is prohibited until you have reached the designated smoking area. At this time, you may use your cellular service. However, your larger electronic devices must remain stowed. An American Airlines representative will meet our flight and be available for questions concerning checked luggage and connecting gate information. On behalf of your New York-based crew, American and our One World Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight.